In the heart of fertile Mediterranean soil, a humble green plant began its journey over 2,000 years ago. Ancient Roman farmers cultivated it with care, believing it to be a gift from the gods themselves. This was not just another vegetable to them, it was a symbol of vitality, longevity, and resilience. The plant's name, derived from the Italian broccolo, means the flowering crest of a cabbage. Yet broccoli was far more than just a cousin to the cabbage. It was nature's own medicine chest. Its florets, tightly packed and emerald green, are bursting with compounds that fight inflammation at its root. Inside each bite lies sulforaphane, a natural chemical that has been shown to combat cancer cells before they can take hold. For centuries, healers praised broccoli as a food that could cleanse the body from within. It was said to purify the blood, strengthen the immune system, and ward off diseases that others feared. As trade routes expanded, broccoli traveled from the Mediterranean to the tables of wealthy nobles across Europe. In the 18th century, it arrived in England, where it was called Italian asparagus and served only to those who could afford rare imports. When it crossed the Atlantic to America, it was still a novelty, but soon it found its place in every home garden and market stall. Its beauty lies in its simplicity. You can steam it, roast it, or toss it raw into salads, and it retains much of its power. Few foods can claim to be as nutrient-dense as broccoli while remaining so versatile in the kitchen. Packed with vitamins C and K, it helps wounds heal faster and keeps bones strong for decades. Its fiber nourishes the gut, while its antioxidants protect the heart from the slow creep of disease. But broccoli's magic goes deeper than daily health benefits. Studies show that its compounds can switch on genes that help the body detoxify harmful substances. In other words, broccoli empowers your cells to defend themselves, a silent army inside your own body. The taste of broccoli is bold, slightly bitter, and earthy, a flavor that ancient cultures saw as proof of its strength. That bitterness comes from glucosinolates, plant chemicals that signal to your taste buds that you're eating something powerful. Modern chefs have learned to pair it with olive oil, garlic, or lemon to bring out its natural sweetness. Broccoli also thrives in the cooler months, standing tall in gardens when other crops have withered away. Its resilience mirrors its effect on the human body. It helps you endure and thrive in the face of challenges. For children, it's often the vegetable they love to hate, but wise parents know that early broccoli habits can shape a lifetime of healthier choices. Over time, palates change, and the once-feared green tree becomes a trusted friend. Scientists continue to study broccoli for its role in preventing chronic diseases. Some research even suggests it may slow the aging process at the cellular level. Its antioxidants fight oxidative stress, the same force that causes wrinkles, joint pain, and energy decline. Even the stalks, often discarded, hold fiber and nutrients waiting to be used in soups, stir-fries, or smoothies. Nothing in broccoli is wasted. Every part serves a purpose, just as nature intended. And perhaps that is broccoli's greatest lesson. Strength, resilience, and health are built from the inside out. This vegetable doesn't just nourish the body, it teaches patience, persistence, and care for oneself. From ancient Roman gardens to your modern kitchen, broccoli has remained a steadfast ally in the pursuit of wellness. It carries within it the wisdom of the earth, the resilience of a plant that thrives where others fail, and the promise of a healthier tomorrow. So the next time you see its green crown on your plate, remember, you're not just eating a vegetable. You're partaking in a tradition thousands of years old. You're taking in the strength of generations past, and you're giving your body one of the most powerful gifts nature can offer. Broccoli is not just food. It is the green guardian of your health. Like and subscribe to stay connected to more fascinating journeys of the world's most powerful foods.